Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this see-through fishnet outfit on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this, so select this dress over here. And I'm just going to toggle it to the basic dress, but you can toggle it to any kind of dress. I'm just going to change the material here. You don't need to, but I want to. And then you're going to go here and you're going to grab this dress, and then I'm going to color it the same as well, like so. Alright, and then what you're going to want to grab, oh, I think it's this one actually. Sorry, wrong dress. You're going to grab this dress. I'm like, why hasn't it glitched yet? So you're going to grab this dress instead. You might want to like put in a jacket or something to cover this up, but if you don't want to, that's also fine. Then I'm just going to add these fishnet stockings, toggle them to the thick one. I'm just going to color it white. It creates this like really cool effect in my opinion. I'm also going to add, whoops, these stockings to the look as well. And then I'm going to add these from the Brat collection. I still don't know what these are called, but I'm just going to add them to the look. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple, but really cool. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.